Deep beneath the sparkling waves lived a spunky little mermaid named Kiki. Kiki wasn't your average mermaid. Sure, she loved swimming through coral castles and chasing playful dolphins, but Kiki's true passion was music. Every day, Kiki would gather her seashell instruments and play beautiful melodies for all the sea creatures. Her music filled the ocean with joy, making even the grumpy sharks tap their fins. But one morning, something terrible happened. The melody in Kiki's heart, the one that guided her music, had vanished. The ocean fell silent. Confused fish swam in circles, and the playful dolphins looked lost without their morning tunes. Kiki knew she had to find her missing melody. With a determined flick of her tail, she set sail on her trusty seashell boat, determined to bring music back to the ocean. Her first stop was the wise old sea turtle, Shelley. Shelley, with her barnacle-encrusted glasses, listened patiently to Kiki's tale. Shelley rumbled, her voice deep like the ocean floor. Melodies can travel far, little Kiki. Perhaps it drifted with the current. Shelley pointed her flipper towards a shimmering current that snaked through the kelp forests. Kiki thanked Shelley and bravely steered her seashell boat into the swirling current. It whooshed and twirled, carrying her past schools of colorful fish and swaying kelp forests. Finally, she emerged on the other side in a hidden cove bathed in sunlight. There, nestled amongst the rocks, sat a grumpy-looking octopus with 8 droopy tentacles. "Excuse me, Mr. Octopus," Kiki began politely. "Have you seen a lost melody anywhere?" The octopus sighed 8 long sighs at once. "Melodies are for happy creatures," he grumbled, "and I'm certainly not happy." Kiki felt a pang of sympathy. "Why are you sad, Mr. Octopus?" The octopus explained that he couldn't reach the delicious clams nestled deep in the rocks because his tentacles were too short. Kiki, with a spark in her eye, knew just what to do. She played a lively tune on her seashells, a melody so cheerful and upbeat that it made the octopus want to tap his tentacles if he could reach them. Inspired by the music, the octopus stretched and stretched his tentacles, reaching further and further until, snap, he finally grabbed a clam. Overjoyed, he munched happily, a smile spreading across his 8 eyes. As Kiki continued to play, a magical thing happened. The octopus's joy filled the cove, and a shimmering melody, the one Kiki had been searching for, rose from the waves. Kiki scooped up the melody in her seashell and raced back home. With a flourish, she played her recovered melody, and the entire ocean erupted in cheers. The grumpy sharks swayed their fin, the playful dolphins danced in circles, and the music filled the ocean with joy once again. Kiki learned that day that music wasn't just about sounds. It was about sharing joy. And sometimes, the most beautiful melodies come from helping others find their own happiness. Hey everyone, thanks for joining Kiki on her adventure. Remember, music brings joy to everyone, even grumpy octopuses. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories